In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an unwanted object using the patch tool in Photoshop. This is a quick and practical editing technique that works especially well when the object is sitting on a fairly even background, like grass, pavement, skin, sky, or any surface with a consistent texture. The patch tool is designed to help you replace a selected area with pixels from another part of the image, while blending the result so it looks natural and realistic. To begin, go to the toolbar and select the patch tool. If you don't see it right away, that's completely normal, because it's often grouped with other healing tools. Just click and hold on the Spot Healing Brush tool to open the hidden tool menu, then choose the patch tool from the list. Once the patch tool is active, draw a selection around the object or area you want to remove. Try to trace around it carefully so you include the unwanted part without selecting too much extra space. A clean selection usually gives you a better result, especially around edges. After the area is selected, click inside that selection and drag it to a clean part of the image that has a similar texture, color, and lighting. This part is important because Photoshop will use that sampled area to replace the object you're removing. The closer the source area matches the surroundings, the more believable the final edit will look. When you release the mouse button, Photoshop will replace the selected area with the sampled pixels and automatically blend them into the surrounding image. In many cases, the result will look surprisingly smooth right away. If the result isn't perfect, don't worry. Simply undo the action and try again by dragging the selection to a different area of the image. Sometimes a small change in the sample area can make a big difference. It may take a couple of tries to find the section that blends best, and that's completely normal when retouching. The patch tool works best on backgrounds that are consistent and not overly detailed, so keep that in mind as you edit. It's a fast and effective option for removing distractions without making the image look heavily edited. With a little attention to where you sample from, you can create a clean result that still feels natural.